Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. Here to talk to you today about this 2019 Jayco 248 RBSW. It's a great length for a trailer and really packs quite a bit into it with having a slide out as well. It's going to walk you some of the features that really set this apart and to really show you the kinds of the value you can get in this length and this price range as well. We start off, you have your electric tongue jack, super easy, push button up and down, no more cranking, it really saves your arms. 2 5-gallon liquid propane tanks with a little converter in between, so if one of them goes dead in the middle of the night, you don't have to jump out and actually change the bottles from there. So it'll definitely keep you warm throughout the night as well. It's solar ready, it's really ready for plug and play solar, so you can park in the shade, tether out, say, an easel panel and have that in the sun, and it's charging your batteries the entire time too. This is the Rocky Mountain edition, and so that means that it has a little bit burlier of tires and a higher chassis as well as some other features that are baked into the rig as well. What we have here is a really nice pass-through, really wide. It's accessible from underneath the bed as well as from both sides. Really wide door too, so you can actually put bins, chairs, kind of outdoor furniture in there and really get a lot of stuff packed in there, so you can take in for your comfort where you're going as well. Really nice push button awning. It's got the speakers baked into the arms themselves, outdoor speakers, and also it has a TV mount here too. So you can make some friends and watch the game outside underneath your awning at any point in time. As well, you have your outdoor kitchen here. Outdoor kitchen, two burner stovetop here, as well as a functioning sink. This just quick connects to your liquid propane. You don't have to bring another fuel source to make this work, and we really make it work for you. And you also have a roof ladder up top, so it's really there to make it accessible, to make sure that you can maintain your seals and make sure everything's proper and there's no damage happening to your roof. Plus, right off the rear here, you have your exterior shower, hot and cold, right there, so you can wash off your feet, wash off the dog, wash off the kids, wash off whatever. And we're gonna walk inside and walk through some of the features here that really make this floor plan pretty special. Big grab handle, makes it easy in and out. But the greatest thing about this trailer, you have a 24-foot 8-inch floor plan, a lot of room in here, and a pretty good division of space. You have an additional seating area here that actually turns into a bed. Really easy jackknife on that as well. And these arms come off and they can actually be used as pillows or a headboard, which is really nice. It's super easy up and down. There's also storage underneath that as well. There's a nice half wall here that divides the space from your bedroom. Really nice queen size bed, a lot of room to walk around. There's a mount for a TV, really accessible on the side. And you have a lot of space here for folded clothes and hanging clothes, as well as plugs on either side of the bed and a platform on the other side of the bed as well. Now I was talking about that pass-through storage. The entire bed comes up, super easy lift. It's assisted, ton of room under there. You can access anything you put in the pass-through from outside or from inside as well. And it's definitely not going to get away from you. It's not going to crimp you anyway either. Coming to the main room here, you have a really big U-shaped dinette. U-shaped dinettes always seat more people, and they're also a little bit easier to kind of get around at the end of the day too. And when you convert those into beds, take the tabletop off the pegs, rest the tabletop on the braces in between, and fill in the gaps of the cushions. You get a longer bed as well as a deeper bed than you would with a traditional booth as well. You have your nice sound system, DVD, CD player, plus it's castable, so you can listen to really anything, you can watch anything as long as you have a Bluetooth enabled device. Nice solid surface countertops and nice hardware on your kitchen as well. Double sink there, and you have your 3-burner stove, you have your oven, a big fridge, and in the rear is a really nice sized bathroom as well. This bathroom is taking up the entire width, and one of the keys to this bathroom is there's an enormous closet, a ton of space for hanging clothes and for anything that you want to store, any linens or anything, an enormous amount of extra space there. A really nice vanity with some actual great storage under there as well. And the shower has a little tub in there. So, it's one of Jayco's kind of features that they put in a lot of stuff, is so that you're making sure that anything that has a curtain, the water isn't going to get out, and you can actually get in there with some kids or a dog or anything small and actually bathe them right there. If you have any questions about this rig or any other rig we have on lot, drop me a line at 773-655-7190 and say hello, or stop by the lot and visit. Thanks.